Ikea Bevara Sealin Clips. Comes in 2 sizes. 6 cm 2 inches and 11 cm 4 inches. Set of 26. Green, yellow, pink and blue. Seals plastic and paper. Not limited to other uses too. Polypropylene plastic. Easy to use. Just clip the plastic from end to end to seal. Single fold, double fold. Even crimple fold. Do this loony fold if you want to make this clip as useless as your brain. Haha. Seal is good enough to hold liquids in. Bring with you to seal food which you can put in your bag. Clip your hair to curl. Its sealing power lies on the double ridges and the lock at the end for support. Let me tell you a short story. I once had a helper which made this clip so redundant by using it this way. She broke all the clips. So I had to throw the clips and her away. The end.